welcome all of you once again to the series of video sessions. Today, we are going to start with another very important topic, some basic concepts of chemistry. In fact, this is the first chapter what you have in your first PUC syllabus, and these concepts are very, very important, and based on this only, you are going to build up your learning about physical and general chemistry what we have. So let's get started. When we are talking about matter, we all know matter is the one which has mass and it occupies space. Anything and everything around us, whatever we see, is all comprising of matter. So it can be the device what you're using, your phone, your laptop, or the books what you're reading, or the food what you eat, the air what you are breathing, the water what you drink, whatever we come across, you basically, me, we all are made up of matter. So anything that has mass and it occupies space is referred to as matter. Now, whatever we come across is made up of this matter, so we have to understand that in greater depth. So this matter which is existing with us is broadly classified into three physical states: the solid state, the liquid state, and the gaseous state. You're very much aware of this. You have learned it from school. So when we discuss about the solid state, we understand the particles are very rigid. They are all having a fixed shape and a fixed volume. When we go towards the liquid state, you can see this. In the liquid state, you are having, there is no rigidity found. In the liquid state, there won't be any rigidity found. The particles can take the shape of the container in which it is placed. There's no rigidity. It has got therefore no fixed shape also. It can take the shape of the container as I told you. So there is no fixed shape. There is but fixed volume. The volume cannot keep changing. When we proceed towards the gaseous state, here again the particles are not rigid. They are flexible. They can move wherever they want. They don't have any fixed shape. It's very difficult for us to look at or imagine what is the shape of a gas. We can't see it. So they don't have any fixed shape and they don't have any fixed volume as well. That's the important point. So when we are talking about the solid, the liquid and the gaseous state, you will understand that there will be no fixed shape for liquids and gases. There would be no fixed volume for gases, but solids and liquids will have fixed volume. The most important point is solids, you cannot squash it. Is it possible if you want to squash something? For example, if I am talking about the table where I'm keeping my system, I try to squash it. Is it possible? You can't. But when you look at the liquids, it also cannot be squashed, actually speaking. It's not easy. But gases, yes, they can be squashed. You would have tried to squash a balloon, a plastic cover, fill it with air, and then you would have tried to squash it. It's possible. So gases can be squashed. Fine. If you try to squash a liquid, you must be thinking, can I not? You think about it. A packet, a sachet filled with a milk packet. You try to squash it. There'll be some resistance. Correct, children? It's not easy. So that's what we understand with regard to the solid state, the liquid state, and the gaseous state. So the important aspect is the three states of matter are always interconvertible because of the change in the temperature and pressure. We know solids on heating will get converted to liquids. Liquids on heating will get converted to gas. So we are knowing that the particles of solid which are having fixed shape, they on heating, when you heat it, they get converted to liquids which at least have got some mobility now, and which on further heating will get converted to gas.